Sincerely Legenia. I have got another good one today. I have just finished making the easiest and quickest, probably the easiest and quickest meal I've ever made on my channel. This one was so unbelievably tasty. I cannot wait for you to try it. It is air fryer Cajun shrimp and sausage with some vegetables in there. It is so delicious. You guys, it is amazing. To all of my new subscribers, hello, thank you so much for joining the Sincerely Legenia family. For all of those who have been with me, my ride or dies, thank you guys for sticking around and for your constant support. You have no idea how much it means to me. If you are new and this is your first video with Sincerely Legenia, click that subscription button. I would love to have you become a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. Hey guys, this one is a good one today, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. You are going to love it, I promise. All right, the sausage I'm gonna be using is this sausage I got from Aldi. It's a pecan smoked Holmes smokehouse sausage. My first time trying it, so let's see what this tastes like. Okay guys, for this air fryer Cajun shrimp dish, we have one medium zucchini chopped, we have one medium squash chopped, we have one small onion chopped, and I showed you what it looks like. We have 1/2 of a red bell pepper. We also have 1 pound of jumbo shrimp, and we have 1 pound of the pecan smoked sausage that I was telling you guys about. So first things first, we're gonna put all of this into a large bowl. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump all of the vegetables into this large bowl. And go the onion and red bell pepper. And now I'm also going to add the sausage and shrimp. Let's put that on in there as well. All right, got it all in there. All right, now we're going to dose it with some olive oil, a good hefty amount of olive oil. And guys, for this recipe, I'm gonna go ahead, and I wasn't gonna originally do this, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and add some minced garlic in here. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of this minced garlic. You can never go wrong with garlic, right? Okay. And I'm also going to be using this new seasoning that I've used it a couple of times before. It's one of my newer seasonings. And I bought this at my local Kroger store. It's Cajun Sparkle seasoning, okay? So we're gonna use that in this dish. You are more than welcome. I also have my homemade Cajun seasoning that you are more than welcome to try. I will put the link to that in the description box below. But for this recipe, we're gonna try this Cajun sprinkle. Okay, we're gonna put a hefty amount in there because it has to coat quite a bit. And we're gonna simply give it a toss. Yes. Okay, and then add more seasoning as you see fit. I did put a good hefty amount on here, but I am going to sprinkle a little bit more after I toss this. That's what I'm talking about. Easy, easy. I'm gonna put a little bit more EVOO and a little more Cajun sprinkle. Yeah, it's good stuff. All right, now I did get a fairly large air fryer this time around, guys. And so I don't know how much of this it will hold. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna spray my pan here. And I think I'm gonna only be able to do half of this. I don't know, let's just see. Let's just check it out. Because in my opinion, it's gonna cook better. I think it'll cook better with just one even layer here. So I think we're gonna do this in 2 batches. I'm gonna see how well this does. Like this, I mean, I'm sure I could dump the whole thing in there, but I want it to have a nice little char and crisp on the edge as well. So anyway, I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna set it for 400 degrees, and I'm gonna set it for 12 minutes. All right, and we'll give that a go. All right, it just dinged. Let's check on this. Can you guys see that? Okay, we've got a pan of total deliciousness. All right. My dish is ready. Look at that. Doesn't it look good? Woohoo! Let's taste. I'm excited about this pecan smoked sausage. I'm gonna get me some zucchini here, some squash, some of that sausage. Oh yeah. Let's get some of the shrimp too. I see that. You guys, this is fabulous. Look at my jaws. Let me slow down. Yo, this is so good. So yummy, so full of flavor. If you have an Aldi's near you, try that pecan smoked sausage. It tastes really, really good. Really good. And it's perfect in this dish right here. Perfect. I'm very pleased. All right, guys. We've got another family favorite coming to your table soon, I promise. All right, everybody, we are done for today's video. This air fryer Cajun shrimp and sausage is so good. I cannot wait to get your comments and let me know what you guys think about it. It's quick and it's easy. I mean, after chopping up everything and putting it all into the air fryer, you are good to go. Dinner is served. It is a great one-dish meal, I promise. It is so good. I cannot wait to hear you guys' comments. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. It is always a pleasure. Until the next time, I pray that you and your family have a blessed and prosperous week. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Sincerely, Virginia. Bye.